Protect your secret photos in Snapchat easily. For this, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the Memories icon just left to the Snap button. This will open your saved snaps and camera roll section. Swipe left on the top menu until you find My Eyes Only, and tap on it to continue. If you are using it for the first time, tap on Setup. Then tap on Quick Setup at the bottom. Now, create a passcode for My Eyes Only. And confirm the passcode once again. Snapchat will display your passcode and do not forget it. Agree to the process. And tap on Continue. After setup, Snapchat will open your private folder. Use your passcode to unlock it. Since we just created it, it will be empty. Now go to your saved snaps or camera roll from the top menu. Open the photo you want to hide. Then tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner. Select My Eyes Only from the pop-up menu. Now tap on the Move button to confirm. Repeat the same process for all the photos you want to hide. Close the Snapchat app completely and relaunch it. Now go back to My Eyes Only. Enter your passcode. You will now see the photo saved inside your private folder, and that's it.